I'm Cyril Borja and I am a social media marketing and a funnel builder professional with over 4 years experience for supporting e-commerce and direct response brands. My backgrounds cover the both creative and operational sides of social media marketing. I've assisted with and executed social media launches and making sure the creative funnels and workflow are aligned smooth and timely campaign rollouts, and I'm comfortable working in fast-paced environment and handling daily campaign operations with accuracy and consistent. On the operations side, I work closely with meta campaigns and I'm familiar with structured workflows as a task management, approvals, and budget monitoring and performance tracking. And I regularly use Monday.com and follow SOPs to stay organized and collaborate efficiently with teams. And they also have strong experience in funnel building and optimization using Funnelish and Shopify, including product page, upsells, downsells, and checkout flows and thank you page also, and tracking integrations like MetaPixel and WeTrack. And creatively, I use Canva and Photoshop to support campaigns with high quality visuals, and I review the job description and fully understand the role and the expectations, and I'm comfortable with the listed salary, and I have experience with graveyard shift and fully comfortable with the working hours. And I also have a solid experience with remotely, and I'm very comfortable with work from home setup. And I'm available full time and can start immediately. I'm confident that my skills and experience will allow me to contribute positively to your team's performance and growth. Thank you for your time for watching this video.